We continue to watch the trends when it comes to COVID because the Department of Health is only giving out these numbers once a week. And also, when we get the COVID case numbers, they don't include those at-home test results, which we know so many people are doing. So this is kind of like a poll you think of that people do. And this gives the kind of averages of what we're seeing. And that trend shows that Pennsylvania has kind of leveled off. Actually, technically, cases went down a little bit this week. But we know this is around 2,000 a day. It's probably much higher than that because of those at-home test results. So we're going to break it down and put it all in perspective like we usually do. First of all, weekly totals for the counties around here. Most counties in our area did see a rise in COVID cases this week, although it wasn't a major rise. But let's move beyond the case numbers because hospitalizations give us a more look of how things really are and how sick people are getting. We saw a slight uptick in hospitalizations this week, very slight uptick. You see that's kind of been holding steady for a while now. One important thing about COVID-related hospitalizations in Pennsylvania, though, is that the Department of Health here doesn't tell us, are these people that are in the hospital because of COVID, or are they just there and tested positive? And that does happen and can happen quite a bit. So you imagine the hospitalizations are here, it's probably a bit lower than that because of that. Also, COVID-related deaths have been holding steady now for weeks now. No big rise in those dying with COVID. So you can see when it comes to the severity of COVID right now, not as much as we've seen in the past, and doctors are saying that. The current variant is very contagious, but not as severe. And we'll keep tracking this for you here at Newswatch 16. Jon Meyer, Newswatch 16, reporting from the digital studio.